Well, the product is Zepto Link, and Zepto Link is the next evolution of the Zepto IOL positioning system, and we just received our 510K clearance. So Zepto Link seamlessly integrates into the clinically proven Zepto technology with any phaco system. So the integration streamlines cataract surgery by saving time and space in the operating room. So what we're planning to do is a phased rollout shortly after ASCRS, followed by a broader commercial launch at the end of the year. Zepto creates an instantaneous capsulotomy for a precise 360-degree IOL overlap. In addition, Zepto provides additional cost savings and efficiency in the OR. And finally, Zepto is ideal for premium lenses as well as complex cases, cases that require a higher level of precision. From an acquisition cost, Zepto, the technology is more accessible to surgeons. It's about 1/10 the capital cost and about 1/2 the disposable cost of laser. In addition to that, it seamlessly integrates into your current surgical workflow and also increases efficiency per case.